Barely 2 weeks after handing over 12 boreholes to some communities, Omooba Abimbola Onabanjo has inaugurated another phase of 20 completed boreholes across communities in Ijebu Ode. At the symbolic handover in Obalende, beneficiaries communities also received generating sets and cash support for the operation and maintenance of the facilities. Anthony Gandono completed the report.
The symbolic event marks the second phase, making 32 boreholes completed out of the 52 to be delivered. It was a moment of joy for residents of Boreholes, Olode Sale, Imopa, Ijebu, Ijasi, Obalende, Borogun, Obalende Seiko, Ojukoti, Alawa, Ojofa, Imoru, Ipamuren, Ayegbami, Itajono, among others in Ijebu Ode, as they received the completed boreholes donated by a prominent businessman and a philanthropist, Omooba Abimbola Onabanjo, and his wife Olori Abayomi Onabanjo, just 2 weeks after the first phase was delivered.
We so much appreciate the water they do for us in our area. Abimbola Onabanjo, we thank you. He
who gives water gives life, and I like someone who remembers the less privileged. He has been providing water for me. I've always had him in prayers. He will never be thirsty in life, as he makes people smile. God will continue to bless and be with him, as he provides water for the masses.
We would set up a committee that will be maintaining it and protecting it both day and night.
It gladdened my heart when I heard Omooba Abimbola Onabanjo confirming his decision to construct 52 boreholes, and the work is ongoing. Our prayer is that God will grant all his aspirations and evil people will not prevail over him.
On behalf of the donor, the project supervisor, Funmilayo Ayanwusi, disclosed that the gesture is aimed at addressing water scarcity and improving access to safe drinking water in the communities.
We're here to commission 20 more boreholes. It's the second phase of the Omooba Abimbola Onabanjo borehole project in Ijebu. So this is phase 2, which comprises of 20 boreholes. We initially commissioned 12 2 weeks ago, and now we're commissioning 20 to make a total of 32 commissioned and completed.
Ayanwusi stressed that the project is purely philanthropic and reflects the benefactor's commitment to community development rather than political ambition. Chairman of the Ijebu Council of Oloritun, Alhaji Adebisi Alausa, commended the gesture, saying it complements government's efforts in providing basic amenities for the community.
This time, I have seen a man trying his best to satisfy the majority of people in Ijebu Ode. It has never happened before, this type of occasion before. So, on behalf of Ijebu Ode community, I'm grateful to Omooba Abimbola Onabanjo and his wife.
Beyond the boreholes, each beneficiary community also received a generating set and cash support to fuel it for more than 6 months. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.